In this video, I am going to show you a website where you can get free ad credit to run paid ads to Clickbank products or CPA offers. And this is XB Marketing with another video. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online with CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to take you to this page right here where you can enroll for this course and start making money in passive income with CPA marketing. So the website I'm going to be talking about in this video is this website right here. As you can see, it's going to give you traffic to your website, and as you can see, it's specified right here. You are going to be getting only human traffic, and also you are going to be making money with this website, and the website is leadleap.com. Okay, as you can see right here, the website has been in existence since 2008 and it gets millions of traffic every single month. I'm going to show you how to get free ads credit with this website. In turn, you can use that credit to run paid ads to your CPA offers or Clickbank offer. Like I said, you can use it to run paid ads to CPA offers from the likes of CPA Grip, CPA Lead, and other CPA network. You don't have to use only Clickbank alone. There are numerous affiliate network out there that you can use, like Digistore24, JVZoo, and the likes. Okay, so basically what you want to do is to create an account. As you can see, I just created this account to show you guys how it works. So now you will be wondering, how do you create an account? So all you just need to do is click on get your free membership right here, and once you do that, they are going to ask you for your name, your email address, and password. So once you're logged in, everything is going to look like this. Okay, so now you may be wondering, how do you generate this ads credit? All right, so generating this ad credit is very simple and very easy, and I want you to pay attention right now. So once you are in your account and everything looks like this, as you can see, if you come to the right hand section of the page, you are going to see this section. All you need to do is click on these ads that you see right here on the right hand section of the page, and also you want to make sure you don't click on this section that says for bot detection. Do not click like it says right here, because if you do, you can get your account banned. So basically you want to come over and click on this ads right here. So once you click, the more ads you come over to click here, the more credit you are going to get on your account, and you can use that credit to run ads to Clickbank products or CPA offers, like I said in the beginning of the video. So once you have enough credit, all you just need to do to run the ads, you want to come over to this advertising section and you want to click on this post credit ads. All right, so all you just need to do is click on that, and once you do, as you can see right here, I don't have any credit here since this is a brand new account. So once you have enough credit, you are going to see your credit right here. So once you're here, all you need to do is click on add a new ad. So once you click on add a new ad, you can see right here, this is where you are going to be pasting the link to your CPA offer or Clickbank product. All right, so I'm going to be taking Clickbank as an example. All you just need to do is go to your Clickbank account, and then you want to head over to the marketplace section. All right, so you want to come over here and choose a product. So I'm going to be taking this cooking, food, and wine category as an example. So all you need to do is click on that category, and you are going to see a bunch of offers that you can start driving paid ads to and start making money in your Clickbank account. And also, before you choose any product, I always recommend that you want to choose a product that is not so expensive and also give a good commission. All right, as you can see, this one is an example right here. You are going to get $36 for every single sale you make for this product. As you can see right here, all you need to make is 3 sales a day, and you are making $100 a day already. Okay, so basically once you've chosen any product, like I said, all you need to do is click on this promote button right here and click on generate up links. All right, or create up links, and you want to copy the link right here. All right, and you want to head over to, you want to go back to your account and you want to paste your link right here. And also, by all means, you can create a landing page if you want to, and I recommend that you create a landing page. But if you are lazy, you can come over and use your direct affiliate link. All right, but like I said, I highly recommend you create a landing page. There are a lot of landing page builders out there. You have Google Sites, you have Build the Raw, you have breezy.io, and there are numerous ones that you can use as well. All right, so basically, once you have either your landing page link here or the offer link or the Clickbank product link, you want to come over and give it a eye-catchy title, and you want to add some text, as you can see right here. All right, and also you want to add an image for your ad right here, and you want to choose the category where your offer is closely related to, so that your ad will be shown to the best people. So once you've done that, all right, all you need to do is click on save and submit, and your ad will start running. So basically, this is one of the easiest ways that you can use to start driving paid traffic to offers or products if you don't have money to run paid ads with the likes of Google, Facebook, Instagram, or native ads. All right, so this is one of the easiest ways that you can use to start generating passive income online without having to invest anything upfront. All right, so for the title, to create a title, I always recommend you go over to the product and make sure whatever product or offer you are promoting, you want to make sure you create a title that is related to that product or the offer. So I'm going to be clicking on this Clickbank product, and let's see what their title is. All right, as you can see, the product is about fat burning and anti-aging foods. So you can come over here and type in something simple like this, like something that says best product to burn ugly fat and stay healthy. All right, so I'm just taking this as an example. Okay, so like I said, you can also come over here and type in an image related to the product and also the title. So you can just come over to Google and type in something like weight loss before and after photo, and all you just need to do is grab an image from this search result right here, and you just have to upload the image right here. And like I said, you choose the best category that serves whatever you are promoting. Like I said, be it a digital product or be it a CPA offer. So whatever you're promoting, you want to choose the right, like this one here, you can see health and fitness. All right, so basically once you have your image added here, all you just need to do is click on save and submit, and your ad would start running, and you will start getting traffic to your affiliate product or your CPA offers. So basically that is how simple it is. If you follow the whole step in this video, you are going to start driving traffic to your offers or your product for absolutely free. So that brings us to the end of this video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.